Welcome to the Digital Micro Trading Journal channel. I'm Digital Micro. We're on Monday order flow trading for January 30, 2023. We'll cover some levels above and below, supply, demand, price action, and order flow. Let's get to the charts. 24 hours. Here we are in Globex, totally bearish engulfing candle here. 3 EMA coming in at the volume weighted average price. So there's confluence here, 19068, call it 1907, round it up. We have right here the 1904 level. I'm watching how well we stay below it or can go above it on RTH Open, because that was the Friday RTH Open. Up here you see this dotted line. This is also a confluence of two items: the Friday January month end T+2 close, and it's the overnight pivot for Monday here. That's interesting. And we're just coming off this up thrust candle wick at a 53 delta. So as far as the order flow goes below strength of the hits, we don't have enough volume, but definitely we're down here from where we were the prior 3 days, and pace is negligible. So not much clarity for a day trade on this chart, but it's good to know here, this big candle, how much range it traveled. That's a little bit more. So that's almost 0.2 handle range. Next chart. So just looking at this 120, this dotted line right here, I'm very interested in the 1904 level. We came all the way down from this dot here, represents the closing bar of Friday RTH, way up here at 1921. Here we are in Globex. We're at 1901, and we're below the 1904, and we've got a low sell signal. And below us, lower Bollinger Band, 81 EMA, order flow below, all imbalance, so it's the wrong color, so that's not real bullish. And then cumulative delta is still green, that's lagging, but it is declining. So again, nothing bullish here because we're below some key areas like the middle Bollinger Band. The Renko's giving me a lot more context, so this is the best chart before RTH for me and my style of trading. So this red arrow denotes the first time the lower blue Keltner was hit. You can see we go all the way down to this green rectangle line I've got. That's a zone for me, and that's 1900.7 to 1897, and we go negative 575 on the delta. Then we go again a second time on the lower Keltner and a minus 359 delta, and we're headed right now towards, with the double trend sell algo, we've got minus 167 delta, and we're knocking on the door of hitting this a third time, and we're in course in Europe, Globex. No demand. Let's strengthen the hits here. There's very weak demand. You can see right when we had the Europe pivot, a lot of supply, cumulative delta, same thing. Not as much at a rapid pace, but if we lose this green line here, we could go a lot lower, in my opinion, because this is on the market profile, a wholesale zone for all of last week, and they were building a position, wholesale was. So if we lose, that means there's a lot of supply they're going to cut off for Monday. We'll see. I'm not committed to selling here on a lower Keltner, that's for sure. So anyway, that's it for the Renko. Use your risk management, and again, no trade recommendations here. This is just a trade journal, so I can go back and take a look at what was in my head, if I was taking trades or not. It's always handy to have a trade journal. Aloha, take care.